Yeah, I'm Paul Clark and my company is Prescott Plumbing Heating Limited. It's a trade counter and bathroom showroom. Yeah, as a company we don't offer a fitting service directly, but we do work with a number of local quality fitters who can hand on heart guarantee that you'll get a good job. With any project, I think the key is the customer's or the client's budget. Second to that is obviously doing a full plan of the room, the layout, very important. So we work with the clients, the customers, and find out how big the room is, what can go in there, and then find out what they really want, and then work to their budget. Everyone's budget's different, so we cater for all budgets. Yeah, all our products come with guarantees, manufacturer back guarantees and warranties. The vast majority of all our products are next day, so order it one day, you'll get it next day. I'd say 80% is next day. The odd companies are next couple of days waiting. Delivery, you're probably looking a couple of days maximum delivery times.